Meaning of exhaust pipe.
Exhaust pipe.
Exhaust pipe.
Exhaust pipe.
Exhaust pipe. An exhaust pipe is a component of a vehicle's exhaust system that expels waste gases from the engine. As fuel burns in the engine, it creates fumes that need to be safely routed away from the vehicle and the people inside. The exhaust pipe serves this purpose by carrying these fumes through the rest of the exhaust system and ultimately out of the vehicle. A properly functioning exhaust pipe helps the engine run more efficiently and also reduces harmful emissions that can harm the environment and people's health.